What's up, everyone? It's time again for a weekly watch list. What this is my favorite setups and how I'm going to trade them going into next week. Basically, my game plan. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. So let's just get right into this, everyone. Very straightforward approach this week. I'm basically watching SPY above 460 for calls. We got quite a bit of room once we break that 460. It looks solid for a call entry. Of course, I will wait on confirmation. I'll be watching level 2. When I'm taking a breakout trade, I like to see the bids get above that level, bid size increase, aggressive buyers coming in. Here are my SPX levels for the upcoming week. I use these to guide my SPY trades, kind of help me navigate. And I will trade ES futures based off these, just basic support resistance / areas of confluence. This 4607 is a big level. We get above that. It's basically, from what I can see, a clear shot up to that 4637. Again, this is just my opinion, what I see, but looks solid. That kind of plays along with that SPY trade ideal I had there as well. Walmart. Now, we're quite a ways away from this level. I really like this ticker to trade, especially for small accounts. Very small account friendly. Doesn't tend to get out of hand too much unless you catch it along like a bad news day, which, all stocks have that risk. So basically, I want to see us continue to pull back. I would love to catch a bounce down around this 145 for calls, possibly even a swing trade. Probably set my stop personally, if we broke below that 145, had a close below it on the daily. Okay. And when I'm swing trading, this is just how I handle my swing trades. I like to go out like 1 month in expiration, if not more. I don't want Theta to be destroying my premiums. I want to give it time to play out. Just be sure if you take this type of trade, you understand how to manage your risk and the risk associated with swing trading. Tesla, ticker TSLA. I'm sure you're all familiar with Tesla. I'm sure some of you have got burnt trading Tesla, because I know I have as well. But what I'm watching this week, we formed this trend here on the weekly. I would like to see us get above that. I'm going to be looking for a possible call entry once we break above this. Okay, we're going to open here. I want to see us have a nice push up, get above this trend line for a possible call entry, for a move back up to that 260 area. Above that, we can see at 268.92, and above that, we have quite a bit of room back up to that 280 area. I don't expect that all in one day. If I can catch this breakout, play it back up to that 260 area, that would be a really, really nice day for me. And that's all I'm watching for this upcoming week. I'm going to be traveling a little bit. I will still be trading inside Team Bull, and I will still be live on Instagram every single morning, even while I'm trading. I love what I do, so why not? I love hanging out with you all pre-market on Instagram Live, so be there. I start around 8 a.m. Eastern Time. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time when we actually create the watch list. I like to answer questions in between that, provide free education for you all. And if you haven't already, go right now to grizzlytrades.com or click the link in the description. Subscribe to my email list. Get a free newsletter, 100% free newsletter, okay? And that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.